Do you have a snack from childhood that puts a smile on your face and brings back happy memories? This peanut roll is the snack that makes me think of the good old days growing up in the Philippines. It's sweet, crunchy, and fun to eat. The ingredients are few and it's easy to prepare. If you want to give this recipe a try, you'll need to crush up a cup of roasted peanuts using a mortar and pestle, or you can also use a food processor. When you're done, it should look like this. It's ground up, but you can still see some tiny bits of peanuts. Next, add 1/2 cup of brown sugar and mix well. I started with a spoon, but switched with my hand to break up some sugar clumps. It's optional, but I like to add a pinch of salt to this mix to enhance the peanut and sugar flavor. But you can skip it out if you want. Make sure that all of the ingredients are mixed well. You will also need some lumpia wrappers. I cut mine into squares just like this. Now that your wrappers are ready, put 1/2 tablespoon of the peanut mix and start wrapping. There are many ways to do this, but I like to wrap my peanut rolls just like this. Here, I use some water to seal up the edges. This recipe will yield 40 to 50 mini rolls, which are so cute and fun to eat. Time to fry these yummy little treats. You'll need to heat up a cup of oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry in batches to avoid overcrowding the pan. You are looking for a nice, even golden brown color. Transfer to a cooling rack or plate lined with a paper towel to drain excess oil. Continue frying until all the rolls are done. You can stop here and it will taste just as good. But if you want to make a caramel glaze for extra sweetness and crunch, you will need to heat 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Continue mixing until all the sugar is melted and turns golden brown. Be careful not to burn the sugar or yourself in this process because this mixture is super hot. This color is perfect. Turn the heat off and put a small batch of your peanut rolls in the caramel mixture. Gently swirl them around the pan for an even coat. Transfer to a plate, and I like to kind of separate them a little bit so they don't stick in one cluster. Then sprinkle a generous amount of sesame seeds to add visual texture to this snack. Repeat the process until all the rolls are coated. These are delicious and can be addicting. I am trying not to overeat every time I prepare these. And just listen to that sound. It's irresistible. Thank you for watching and click here for more yummy videos.